What is happening, party people? This is Brett Jackson Boogie coming at you, happiness in retirement. And today, I'm going to talk to you about using these beautiful leaves in my garden, which I did not know that you could eat. And these are squash leaves. Apparently, you can also eat pumpkin leaves, which is a type of squash, I guess. Anyway, I've got butternut squash and summer squash growing in my garden. And some of the leaves were hitting the ground and getting up against the house. And I was like, I'm going to cut those. And I'm like, I wonder if I can eat them. Sure enough, I looked up online and watched some YouTube videos. You can eat these babies. So the first thing you got to do is take out these little veins that have little prickly things in them. And it's really pretty easy. So let me show you how you do that. You just grab that puppy there and you pull, and it takes the vein out all the way up the leaf, so that you don't have to deal with those prickly little sticker things. And you just kind of basically like devein it. And it takes it, it's amazing. It just takes it all the way out. I guess I already got that one. And you can tell there's a lot less prickly stuff in there. And also when you cook it, apparently, the prickly stuff goes away. So, after I do that, the next thing I'm going to do is wash them. All right, so I washed them, took all the prickly stuff out by pulling the stems, and now I got them laid out to dry. So then I'm going to basically cut them up like I would any type of greens and put them in a stir fry. So that should be yummy. I'll let y'all know how it turns out. If you like my material, hit subscribe or go to the next video. Peace out and thank you.